talk about how can you disable sound notifications on your Pocket Option app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that to your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on profile. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So you come here to sound notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you say color, it's gone. That means sound notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.